Hi friends, I am doing a presentation over Prezi. I love this website and I prefer to go to it over PowerPoint, so I wanted to tell you why. So we're going to go to present. I decided to do my presentation on a Prezi because it kind of does the display and it shows you how to use it and it shows you how easy it is while I also tell you about it. So here we go. So what I like about prezi.com is it's interesting, it's easy, it's fun, it's creative. It's way more interesting than like PowerPoint. PowerPoint is concise and gets to the idea across about what's being presented like in class, which is really helpful and is easy to take notes on. But Prezi begs for your attention, and it's colorful if you want it to be. It's not colorful if you don't want it to be, but it begs for your attention the way that it moves and transfers, and it just asks for you to look at it. It's easy because whether you use a template or you start with your own ideas, you can make your own transitions and you can add arrows or lines or dots to make it look great from afar, and you can put in your own picture for the background, so it's pretty easy to use even if you don't use a template. It also has great centering tools, so if you're trying to make one all on your own, it'll help you get your words centered or your circles or your squares centered with others on the page so that it has a really professional look to it. And it's fun because of all of the transfers that it has. It's also fun because of the colors, but I like the transfers because of how it jumps across the page and the twists and turns from bubble to bubble. So just to bring it back together, it's interesting, it's easy, it's fun. Presentations are creative with Prezi. They could be blowing up with color like this one, or they could be real simple with a different background. So I think Prezis are for anyone and everyone who's looking to create an interesting, fun, and easy presentation for any scene. So there's my presentation on Prezi. So what I want to do is show you a previous one that I've made for another class, just so you can see kind of the idea. I made this one without a template, so it's a little bit more scattered, but it fit all of the information that we needed and all of the graphs and charts that we needed, and it flowed well. And actually I did use a template for this one, but I had to add a lot to get all of the information that I needed, so it doesn't look a whole lot like the original template, but it did have the background that I needed. So we'll just go through this one real quick and you can kind of see what it looked like. So you can just click through here and it has all of our names, and it kind of, the background shrinks and gets bigger, and you can add pictures, and I just love how you can do the same kind of thing as PowerPoint where you have each slide technically, but it has different transitions and it kind of jumps across the page, and I really enjoy that. And you can add graphs and like little side bits and things, and I really liked that. So like technically this one and the next one and even the next one were the same speaker, but it was cool because your attention is drawn back to the presentation, it's drawn back to the reader, even though graphs are kind of boring, and it just draws you back, and I love that. And then so it goes to another person, so we added a video in here really. I could play it right now, but I won't. And then you go through, and this is like another person speaking, and this is also the same person, and then this one too. So it's like one PowerPoint screen, but on 3 different slides, and it just gives you that, it draws your attention back to the screen. And so we could click through this, and it shows you all of these different things and how it twists and turns and jumps. But that's just kind of how it works, and how we used it for one of our other classes, and not just not just this class, but it's very, very specific to what you need. So thanks for watching my presentation over Prezi. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you use Prezi in the future. Thank you.